Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as the weeks kind of resemble each other for Microsoft. So at the beginning of the month of June, there were several days of different services, Azure Services, Outlook, all of that wasn't working well and were inaccessible for some, or they were for a lot of people, but intermittently, so you could log in and it'd be fine. You could log in half an hour later and it'd be a problem. And of course, some people reported error messages. Some people just reported that the emails were just not getting through. Well, it seems that today, June 27th, and it's back. And Microsoft first said that the outage was mostly for North America. Now, going through the online Outlook page, for most people still works. Where it is a problem is if you're using anything that actually goes and fetches your emails either through a app on a phone or a device, and even worse if you're having to use the Exchange servers for getting emails, you might get error 500 messages. Now, at first, Microsoft said today, well, it's mostly North America, but there were some users from around the world that were saying, I got the same problem. Microsoft, about half an hour before I posted this video, has confirmed that the problem is way more widespread than they thought. It affects a lot of people through the Americas, but also in Europe. So we were still wondering, could this still be that distributed denial of service attack from that Sudan group that could be doing it? Microsoft right now doesn't say anything. They're saying that they're looking into the problem. From what I see, once again, it's intermittent, meaning that you could log on to your service, you have your emails, things seem to work fine. And you could do it an hour later and suddenly it doesn't work. And it's kind of the same problem. Most people report that they're just not getting their emails. So the app kind of works. You just go into, but the emails are not there. And when they are there, well, they arrive in like bulk because they're kind of blocked somewhere. And of course, some people are reporting what Microsoft says, which is error 500, which is kind of a connection error to the server, basically. So we're wondering if there's not another DDoS attack against Microsoft again. They were saying that they were going to work hard to disrupt Microsoft as long as they wish and as long as they want. So it's kind of interesting. And it's interesting they're targeting Microsoft specifically. A group like that could be targeting other companies, but they're really targeting Microsoft. So if you're having issues, I looked mine here on the Outlook web. Seems fine. On my phone, I would have to maybe check a few times to see if I'm getting the emails through my Outlook account. But I know that on the web for me it works fine. But it doesn't seem to be the web that's really the problem itself. It's really when you're using an aggregator that either uses the web interface to fetch your emails or if you're using Exchange servers. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.